Why is my Android keyboard growing? It's not a gaming keyboard. It's my phone. Most people have no idea this is possible. I added it on purpose, and honestly, it makes typing way more fun. If you want your keyboard to go like this too, first of all, go to your Play Store, tap on search bar, search for LED keyboard, tap on install, just wait, tap on open it, tap on skip, tap on allow, tap on apply keyboard, tap on OK, tap on active LED keyboard, tap on LED keyboard, turn on, tap on OK, tap on OK again, and tap on switch to LED keyboard, tap on LED keyboard, tap on plus icon, see here, tap on save option, type enter your keyboard name, that's it.